Hey guys, so I wanted this vlog to be just a little bit different and kind of give you like a behind the scenes of my life. I show you guys my life all the time and like my children and stuff like that, but not some of the other things like that I do. I'm doing a bridal shower on Saturday for one of my girlfriends, and we're just going to a restaurant, but I wanted to, you know, make it special for her. So we're going to decorate and make it all nice and pretty. I just got off the phone not too long ago with UPS. I ordered a bride to be signed off of Etsy, and somehow it mysteriously disappeared. The lady told me, well, I saw through my tracking information that it's been sitting at a local facility for like the past 2 days. So I called them like, hey, I'll just come pick it up because, you know, the shower's this Saturday and it's currently Wednesday. She let me know that it went out on the truck and it never was delivered and it never came back. No one knows where it is, just mysteriously disappeared. So I'm gonna try and think creatively to figure out what we're going to use now for this bride to be sign or some type of signage for the backdrop, and I only have 2 days to figure it out. So ordering things is not an option because it's not going to get here in time. So I'm going to see what I can come up with, and I'm just going to kind of bring you guys along the ride with me with, you know, preparing for this event. And yeah, just the behind the scenes of this weekend and what's going on. Soon I'm gonna do a chit chat video and just kind of sit down with you guys and let you know where everything is in my life. We're still staying at the in-laws. We're coming to the tail end of that. We've actually been looking for houses because we are relocating to the Tampa area. So the past couple weekends have been crazy. We've been driving up to Tampa to look at some houses. We haven't seen anything yet. Well, that's a lie. We saw a house that we absolutely loved, and they didn't accept FHA loans, so that one was off the table. But I'm gonna give you guys a full like rundown on everything that's going on in a video really soon. In this one, you guys are going to kind of just come along with me for the next couple days of this week and setting the room up for this Saturday, and just, yeah, it'll be fun. Morning, guys. So it is Thursday. No, what's today? Oh, today is Friday. I just realized that I told you guys yesterday was Wednesday. My days are all mixed up. Today is Friday. It's Friday morning. It is, I don't know what time it is. I think it's about 8:30. Hold on, baby. You can. We are about to head to Hobby Lobby to start off. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this sign since I'm not going to be able to get the sign for the bridal shower. I'm trying to think creatively. I have a Cricut machine, so I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby, walk around a little bit and see if I can find something that inspires me. Maybe I'll get like a piece of wood and then, you know, use my Cricut to like print something on it. Or what I would love to find is like a acrylic looking plexiglass type of plate that I can put the sign on. I've seen them online. Hopefully they have them in like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or Joann's or something like that. I'm gonna see what I can find. I may have to go to like Home Depot or something also. And yeah, wish me luck. All right, so we are back home. Oh, I think my earring is tapping this thing. Let me just put that there. Put it here for now, whatever. So we are back home. I want to show you what I got from Hobby Lobby. So some of this stuff, I already had it. But, I got these charger plates from Hobby Lobby. I think they're super cute with the gold rim. And we're just going to do, I'm going to go ahead. Well, this one I folded up already. I'm going to go ahead and put like a little satin napkin in between. So I folded all of these up so that it'll make it easier for me tomorrow when we get to the restaurant to go ahead and put them together. I didn't want to do them all like this because I don't really have a way to travel with them. I feel like they're gonna mess up if I do them all like that. So I just folded them up nicely so that I can put those together. So I'm starting off with this. I made this for someone's 50th birthday, and it's just a cake stand, but I need to redo it. You see how it's rocking like that? At the bottom, some of the nails came out, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and use screws instead. I think it'll make it a little bit sturdier. I'll do some wood glue and screw it so that it's a little bit sturdier. Then that is going to have, let me move this to the side. I'm going to have that when you walk in. And I bought this from Hobby Lobby a while ago, and I added just like a little gold strip there. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to go ahead and put these inside, and it's going to be, see, isn't that pretty? That's nice, right? It's going to be on the stand that I just showed you, and I'm also going to have some hand sanitizer there for when people walk in, and we're going to do temperature checks for when they walk in as well, because we're trying to do this bridal shower, but we're trying to be safe. I picked up some ivory colored linen from my storage unit, which is for the backdrop, and I also picked up this acrylic, let me see, I put it behind the couch. I picked up this acrylic like sheet from Hobby Lobby. Wait, I think this is the one that's broken. I have another one. So it has film on it right now, so it looks super cloudy. But I'm gonna go ahead and try and make a pretty sign on using my Cricut machine, and maybe like border it in flowers like on the edges or something. I'm gonna try my best to make it pretty. Remember, I was telling you we ordered a sign from, I ordered it off of Etsy, a bride to be sign, and UPS lost my package. So I'm just trying to make do with what I have with one day. So now I feel a little bit overwhelmed just because I have one day to figure this all out, but you know, it is what it is. These are some of the blooms that I'm going to use for the bloom garland. I double stuffed them. These are blush color blooms with brown blooms inside. I have a ton of blooms here. So I'm going to go ahead and blow those up tonight and start putting my garland together and put them in bags so that I can just bring them. They'll be like semi-section garland pieces, right? Oh, so let me say I did some already. I'll show you. So this is how I do my garland pieces. This isn't finished, but like I'll section them like this, and it makes it easy to transport that way, and also so that you don't have to put the entire garland together when you get there because it's too time consuming. And then when I get there, I put my stand up, and then I just attach them all, interlock them and stuff like that. I have these little vases for the table. This is also from Hobby Lobby. You know, Hobby Lobby is like my favorite place. I have these little small vases for the table. I didn't want to go high. I've done high, like flower arrangements and stuff like that, but sometimes they get in the way with like the whole conversation piece, and yeah, I just didn't want to go that route, so I'm gonna do something shorter. I ordered some hydrangeas from Amazon because I felt like I needed a few more flowers and greenery for my bases, so those are supposed to be here tonight. I needed a little more greenery for my bases. I just said that, so I picked up some of these. So I'm gonna pick through this now and go ahead and do my flower arrangements. Well, my hydrangeas should be here sometime today because I ordered them from Amazon. Raina, where are you going? But yeah, I got a bunch of stuff in here. Some really pretty flowers in here actually. I'm just gonna go ahead and put those together and see what I come up with.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing.
I'm gonna let that Lysol sit on the stuff for a second and go back to doing this side. Alright guys, so this is my first time doing something like this, using my cricut machine for such a large task, and I'm so nervous. I just got this thing around Christmas time. Oh wait, let me move my computer up. Morning guys, so I am currently bagging up all my balloons. Let me set you guys down somewhere. Good morning guys. I'm dressed and just about ready to go to this bridal shower. I'm just bagging all my balloons up now so I can transport them to the restaurant and get everything set up. So let me tell you guys about this sign. I was trying to make this sign last night and it was coming out really nice. I did like a DIY acrylic sign and I was going to do like some flowers like on the corner of it, the upper right corner of it. And so I had my flower foam on there and it was all nice and pretty. I had my flower foam on there, it was all nice and pretty. And then I lifted the sign up to see what it looked like and it fell apart. All the flowers, like the foam itself, like broke and fell apart. So I thought about using a hot glue gun and just sticking the flowers to it that way. But it started to just become a process and I still had so much other things to do. This sign fiasco really kind of pissed me off because it was unexpected and like I didn't plan for this. I wanted to purchase a sign because I knew that timing was going to be an issue because I had so many other things going on. So, you know, otherwise I would have been more prepared with like getting the sign prepared in advance. But I didn't get to do that, so I'm just going to do acrylic sign and leave it like that. Alright guys, so I am packed up and heading to the restaurant to start setting everything up. What time is it? It's about 9:40 something. This car is packed. Look at this. Thank goodness Ricky has a truck because there is no way any of these balloons would have fit inside my tiny little car. So I have the back, this part is packed and I have the trunk packed also. So we're gonna head here. I hope everything comes out nicely as far as like the sign and stuff. I kept it plain because okay, so basically what I use for the DIY acrylic board is instead of acrylic, because I didn't have enough time to actually order a acrylic plate, what I used was like a plexiglass, right? So it's going to give like the illusion of feel like, you know, looking like acrylic, which might end up working out a little bit better only because it's lighter. But that plexiglass, it cracks really easily. So like I already had to drill a hole in it at the top so I can actually hang it. And I could have done the same thing to get my floral foam to stick on there and use like floral wire to connect it that way. But the way it cracked when I drilled that hole in it, I didn't want to risk like messing up the plexiglass after I already had like the bride-to-be lettering on it and then not, you know, it not being usable. So I left it plain. I really think it would have been so pretty with the flowers around it, but you know, whatever. This kind of stuff happens. It's still gonna come out nice. It's just not gonna be what I wanted, but you know, that's fine. And yeah,